Conversation at the post office.
Clark. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Customer. Hi, I'd like to send this package to Canada, please.
Clark. Certainly. Let's put it on the scale. It's 2 kilograms.
Customer, how much will that cost to ship?
Clark. It depends. Would you like to send it by regular mail or express?
Customer. What's the difference in time and price?
Clark. Regular mail takes about 10 days and costs $15. Express takes 3 days and costs $35.
Customer. I'll go with regular mail, please. It's not urgent.
Clerk. No problem. Does the package contain any fragile or liquid items?
Customer. No, it's just some books and a sweater.
Clerk. Great. Please fill out this customs form and sign here.
Customer. Sure. By the way, do you sell stamps here?
Clerk. Yes, we have a book of 10 stamps for $6.
Customer. I'll take one book, please. Thank you.
Clark. You're welcome. Have a nice day.